bonfire night tonight in a lot of places here. So we have got our Door West herbs ready. And Mika is sat waiting to take today's tablets. You ready, Mimi? You ready? Ready? Wait. 1. Good girl. 2. Good girl. 3. Good girl. Nah, sit. Sit. Good girl. 4. Good girl. Sit down. Sit. 5. Good girl. 6. Good girl. Last one. Last one. Good girl. Good girl. And straight. And straight. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Let me pause. Sit. Good girl. Here you go. Good girl. So are you ready for fireworks now? Are you ready for fireworks now? You ready? Good girl.